Welcome to our guide on using data management to convert customers through marketing automation. In today's digital age, businesses must leverage data effectively to personalize marketing efforts and drive conversions. Let's dive into the process. Data collection. The first step in utilizing data management for marketing automation is collecting relevant customer data. This includes demographic information, purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement metrics across various channels. Data integration. Next, integrate this data into your marketing automation platform. Whether you're using software like HubSpot, Marketo, or Salesforce Marketing Cloud, ensure seamless integration to consolidate all customer information in one central location. Once integrated, analyze the data to gain valuable insights into customer preferences, patterns, and trends. Identify segments based on behaviors, interests, and demographics to tailor marketing campaigns effectively. Personalized automation. Now, leverage marketing automation tools to deliver personalized experiences to your customers. Create automated workflows triggered by specific actions or milestones, such as abandoned carts or birthdays. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor the performance of your marketing automation campaigns. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure effectiveness and identify areas for optimization. Iterative improvement. Finally, use the insights gained from performance monitoring to iterate and improve your marketing strategies. Test different messaging, offers, and timing to optimize conversion rates and drive business growth. In conclusion, data management is a powerful tool for converting customers through marketing automation. By collecting, integrating, analyzing, and leveraging customer data effectively, businesses can deliver personalized experiences that drive engagement and conversions. Remember, the key is to continuously refine your strategies based on insights and feedback to stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful in harnessing the power of data management for marketing automation. Stay tuned for more insights and tips from our team. www.optimarkconsulting.com